While fintech seems like a recent phenomenon, the first electronic fund transfer system was introduced in the 1960s by the Bank of America. This early innovation paved the way for the fintech revolution we're experiencing today. In the rapidly evolving financial landscape, organizations without fintech expertise often struggle to keep pace with technological advancements. They may face challenges in adopting new financial technologies, miss opportunities for innovation, and risk being left behind by more tech-savvy competitors. This can result in decreased operational efficiency, lost market share, and inability to meet evolving customer expectations. At the individual and team level, finance professionals without fintech knowledge may find it difficult to leverage new technologies, struggle with understanding the implications of digital disruption, or face challenges in integrating fintech solutions into existing systems. This can lead to resistance to beneficial technological changes and missed opportunities for process improvement. This cutting-edge certification course comes to the rescue by providing comprehensive knowledge and practical skills in fintech. It equips participants with a deep understanding of emerging financial technologies and their applications in the financial services industry. By pursuing this certification, individuals will gain expertise in areas such as blockchain, artificial intelligence and finance, digital payments, and regulatory technology, RegTech. They'll learn to evaluate fintech solutions, understand their impact on traditional financial services, and develop strategies for successful fintech implementation. The impact on organizations can be transformative. With certified fintech professionals, companies can expect improved technological integration, enhanced digital financial services, and increased ability to innovate in the financial sector. This leads to improved operational efficiency, better customer experiences, and a competitive edge in the digital finance landscape. At the personal and team level, certified professionals will become drivers of digital transformation within their organizations. They'll be able to lead fintech initiatives, provide valuable insights on emerging technologies, and bridge the gap between finance and technology. This expertise can lead to exciting career opportunities in the rapidly growing fintech sector and position professionals at the forefront of financial innovation. Don't let a lack of fintech expertise hold your organization back in the digital age. Empower yourself and your team by becoming certified fintech professionals. Enroll in this course today and take a significant step towards mastering the technologies that are reshaping the future of finance.